In the ancestral worldview, all happenings have causation. All things have a pattern, a reasoning, or a cycle. Causations and patterns that are visible to us are understood as natural phenomena. They are logical, measurable, and can be easily explained through observation and examination. While the causations and patterns that are not visible to us or understood by the ofeke or the spiritually blind layperson is seen as chaos. Unseen causation gives the average person the sense that there are events in the universe that happen at random without order or precedent. And this is encapsulated in concepts such as luck, chaos, irrationality, supernatural phenomena, randomness, or unpredictability. In the ancestral worldview, these concepts do not exist. In Igbo culture, there's a proverb that says, if you see a person dancing above water, something beneath is playing the tune, meaning that for everything strange, out of place, or random we observe in the tangible section of existence, there's a force, pattern, or rhythm causing it in the intangible section of existence.